Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Now today we've got another curry for you, and that is Gaeng Tepo. So this is traditionally cooked with belly pork. The other version is with mussels. So the chief ingredients are mussels and water spinach. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around after this.
Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make a red curry with morning glory, or we call Gaeng Tepo. Yeah, okay, now we show the ingredient, all the ingredient we use today. Morning glory, 200 grams of morning glory. 1 can of coconut milk, 400 ml. And New Zealand mussel. Tamarind sauce. Red curry paste we make ourselves. If you need to know how to make a red curry paste, you get from watch our video. Okay, I just show we cut the morning glory first. We cut the end a little bit and throw. Just this side, about 3 inches. And wash. That's it. Just soak in the water for a few minutes. Okay, now we going to start to make the curry paste with coconut milk. Okay, we use the wok with the medium heat. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And this one very hot. I use the 2 tablespoons of curry paste and fry with the oil a little bit with a low gas. You fry about 5 to 10 minutes until you see the color turn to golden brown, and you can smell. When you get the smell from the curry paste, you put a little bit of coconut milk, just a little bit. Yeah, you fry together. You fry until the curry paste dry, and then add a little bit by bit of coconut milk. Like a Muslim get from South, yeah, Muslim. Yeah, he went to South and taste, oh nice. Then Muslim แกงแก้วตาหอมยี่หร่ารสร้อนแรง because they put a lot of ยี่หร่า. Yeah, that's why they make like a poem like that. Yeah. Now you can add more coconut milk. Okay, now we put the paste. Okay. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. 2 tablespoons of tamarind sauce. Add coconut milk. This one looks thick, but after we put morning glory, the water come out and make it thinner. Let me taste how the taste like. Take out this one. Just use the meat. Throw the shell. Okay, put morning glory. And the water come out, right? Let me taste a little bit. And then you put Kaffir lime leaf. And sweet red chilli.
So on a high heat now.
Yeah, and that's it. High heat 1 minute until this one really boil, then that's it. Exactly 1 bowl. Yeah, enough for 2 people.
Alright. So, Gaeng Tepo. Put some rice here. Gonna get me some mussels. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. This is a more watery curry. And spicy, Wow. It doesn't look too spicy, but it is. The mussels and the water spinach just really complement each other so well. The water spinach still has a bit of a crunch. Give this a try at home. Let's see what you think. If you've already made some of our other curries, this is a cinch to make. You've already got the curry paste. Just need the water spinach and the mussels and a kind of coconut milk. Okay, thanks for watching and give it a go at home. And we'll see you again next week. Take care of yourselves. Bye.